islands. So that's been one of my themes for the majority of this channel. Now, over the last year or two, I've traveled to some of the most beautiful islands in the world, specifically in the destinations of Indonesia, Philippines, and Thailand. I absolutely love Southeast Asia, and in this video, Rachel and I visited an island in Thailand that I haven't traveled to yet. She hasn't been there, I think, in about 11 years. So just a few days back, Rachel and I traveled about 3 hours south of Bangkok to a little city called Rachael, a beach town, let's say, just past Pattaya, and we explored an island called Koh Samet, which I haven't been to. Rachel was there 11 years ago, so let's take you back a few days. Let's go! Let's go! Woo. You're switching first, you got everything? Yep. We're good? Alright. Alright, let's follow the Thai cowboy. Yeehaw! So our ferry's supposed to leave in like the next 2 minutes out to Koh Samet.
It's supposed to leave now!
It's supposed to leave now! Yeah, right here? Okay, oh god. We're gonna be late. After you. And hopefully we won't be late for this, but the island of Koh Samet is known for beautiful beaches. It's kind of like a weekend getaway for a lot of Thais. And if you guys are going during the weekend, highly recommend to book your hotels because they're almost always booked up. And Koh Samet's known as like a giant national park too, but it's primarily known for the beautiful 15 beaches all around Koh Samet. And we're at the Bangkok Pier right now where we booked a high-speed boat. So this is like a brand new boat. It gets you there in about 10 minutes for 150 baht, so that's like $5 or $6. And we should be out to Koh Samet. It's like right that way. And it's so good to be back with Rachel. And she hasn't been to Koh Samet in like 11 years.
11 years, that's a long time.
11 years, it's a long time. So we're gonna explore some of the beautiful beaches for the full day in Koh Samet. And we're gonna be staying the night in Rachael. So let's get on our 10-minute boat. Hopefully we make it there. I'm a little concerned 10 minutes, but where's our boat?
There it is.
There's our boat? Okay. Alright guys, so like Rachel was saying, it normally takes around 40 minutes to get to Koh Samet from the mainland of Thailand. However, they have these fast boats where it only took us like 10 minutes. How was the boat ride?
It's great. And we land at one of the main pier called
Nadan Pier.
Yeah.
And right now we're going to be exploring Koh Samet for the day, and first thing we got to do is find transportation. This is insane. So the thing about Koh Samet is it's a giant national park, so there's a fee that you have to pay when you get onto the island. However, Rachel is saying if you get to like the resorts where you can have these boats drop you off specifically at the resorts, I think the fee's included. But when you guys make it on the ferry, you have to pay 20 baht per person, kind of like the nature conservation fee. But if you're a foreigner like I would be, you have to pay 200 baht. But Rachel snuck it in and I paid 20 baht because
say that for the vlog.
I'm technically a Thai. I live in Bangkok. What are you doing?
So here are the options for like the transportation around the island. You can either take one of these little pickup truck and they will send you to the destination in a different beaches around Samet, or you can rent a motorbike.
Oh yeah, Motorbike Rentals over there. What's up?
No ATV.
There's no ATVs?
I can't believe it. Today, if you would like to rent a bike on Saturday and Sunday, it's 400 baht instead of 300.
And the farther south you drive of Koh Samet, it gets quieter. So like the northern part where the piers are at, the main pier, let's say, it's like a popular area. There's like bars, there's restaurants. There's a lot of nightlife also on Koh Samet where they have like fire dances and fire shows on the beach. However, once you go south, more south on the island, it gets a lot quieter and the beaches are still pristine and supposedly absolutely beautiful. So unfortunately the ATV is no more. I'm assuming someone probably got hurt, or you know, typically something like that happens where they just close it off and there's no more ATV rides, but you used to ride an ATV all around the island. And right now we jumped in a little taxi. So motorbikes are a little more expensive on the weekend, and Rachel and I, we can't ride motorbikes at all. So we jumped in a taxi, which is like one of the main transportations around the island. There's like a giant chart that shows all the different prices, and we're gonna head to one of the most southern beaches here, one of the most quieter ones called Awai Beach.
It's 50 per person, but if you want to charter it, like basically not sharing the rides with anyone, it's 450 to Awai.
450, all right, so yeah. 50 or 450. So Ao is right through this way?
I
Hope so.
reckon. Never been here without like staying at a particular resort before, so let's explore.
Let's explore.
So they have like fees for using the swimming pool. For showering is 50 baht. For peeing is 20 baht.
Peeing? I'll just pee in the ocean.
Or like if you need like the beach bench is 100 baht. So maybe we can rent a towel.
Okay, there you go. So the taxi ride was actually 100 baht per person because it's a charter ride because no one was coming this far south to the island, but we made it to the area of Ao. This is like, again, the southern part of Koh Samet. Koh Samet, I almost forgot where we're at. And this is the most beautiful beach on the island, you read, right?
Yeah, that's according to the reviews and some of the website. It said it's the most quiet and private ones. So we're expecting to see like, you know, white sand and nice beaches and very quiet.
That's the goal.
Ah!
What? Look at that tail!
So long, and he's just staying still for you to shoot him.
He's like, just shoot me.
Too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt.
Oh, look at that water. Look at the front office is that way too.
The sand feels so good.
The sand is so soft, you're right. And there's like no one here.
They said it's the quieter beach. It is a quieter beach.
It is a quieter beach, yep. I love this. I love the sand. So we're gonna pick a spot right now to lay out, and we forgot beach towels, so I don't know how we're gonna do this, but we're gonna chill here for a few hours and enjoy Ao. There's like no one here. I love this, and our spot looks to be
Right here.
Right here. So it's kind of cool, the island of Koh Samet. I shot the drone up, and every beach has its own little inlet, like what Rachel was saying. Every little beach has like a little inlet, so like there's like an indentment into the island. I don't want to say indentment, but like a little inlet, a separate beach. And Rachel is also saying that every beach has like its own theme, right?
Its own like accommodation.
Accommodation.
And each inlet has got a different type of what do I say, entertainment. For example, this place that we choose to come is a quieter one.
Yep.
If you want to go to a busier one, you probably enjoy Ao Thai.
That's where we're going later.
Saigao.
Saigao.
Yeah, Saigao we're going later.
Okay. It was, again, 100 baht charter to get to this part of the island. So if you guys are, I guess, spending that much compared to the other beaches, hang out here for a couple hours, enjoy it. There's a restaurant, and chill at Ao. Oh, what's that smell, baby?
That's not me, that's you farting.
There's some like foul smell that just shot into both our mouths. Ugh. This is more commercialized, looks like.
This one is more famous for like sort of like the squid thingy, squid fishing.
Okay, squid
How
fishing.
do you, yeah.
And this pretty much is Lungdam Beach right over here. It's really not that big of a beach, to be honest.
No, each beach is not big. The biggest one would be Hat Saigao, which we will go next.
Yeah, there's not too much going on around this beach. It looks like you can book some tours, but we're gonna head to the scenic view right now before we head to the main beach. And just outside of Lungdam Beach held this beautiful scenic view. Now, it reminded me of Hawaii, of the landscape and how the cliffs drops directly into the ocean. Absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love the view. I shot the drone up again before we jumped in a taxi and headed out to the main beach on Koh Samet. So after about a 10-minute taxi ride, we made it to Saigao, which is like the main beach area out here in Koh Samet. We also passed a beach called Ao Pai, which is one of the main areas known for a lot of bars and stuff right on the beach, but Saigao, where we're at, has all the nightlife, all the restaurants, everything's here. There's a beach, and we're gonna get some food because we're really, really hungry. And as you might see, let me turn the camera around. A lot of shopping, a lot of restaurants around here, a lot of things, but the main thing we want to do is get some food. And this is Saigao Beach. There's so many people around here. And for lunch, I got a cheeseburger, as Thai traditional as you can get. The cheeseburger was 180 baht, which is like 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 4. Cheeseburger is about $7 American. Again, this is a little bit more pricey just because we're on an island. I think back in Bangkok, a cheeseburger is like 100 baht or 120, but 180 baht, you gotta expect that where you guys are going on an island. And she's got some prawn cake. She also has another dish coming for us. And we went to the first spot that we could find, which is Buddy's, which has the most reviews and the best reviews on the beach. So we're gonna hang out here. We're gonna finish eating our lunch. Our ferry actually leaves back to the mainland at 3:45, so that's in about an hour and 15. And we're gonna relax on the beach a little bit before we head back. But how is the prawn cakes?
It's alright.
It's alright? Alright, so overpriced, a little pricey, that's what you gotta expect, and it's okay. Nah. Alright, the food was a little overpriced, a little expensive, but we're gonna get out of here. Our ferry leaves in 30 minutes, and we're gonna head back to the mainland. I highly recommend Koh Samet. Not bad?
Nah.
Alright, let's get out.
Lovely day trip.
Lovely day trip. Alright, let's get out of here. Now, one of the biggest travelers tips is booking your hotels. If you guys are going to Koh Samet, book in advance because almost every single weekend it's completely booked up. So due to the fact that almost every single hotel was booked up on Koh Samet, Rachel and I ended up heading back to town. We stayed at a beautiful 5-star hotel that's about 8 months brand new called Axon Rayong, and they put us in the executive jacuzzi room, which I believe is their nicest room. Right when you walk into the room, you get a giant jacuzzi to the right with a waterfall shower. The room is absolutely beautiful, and it's a giant room with 1.5 bathrooms, so there's another bathroom in the living area and a giant king-size bed. Now, the Axon Rayong has 3 pools, and they also set us up with a delicious seafood dinner that night, followed by a volcanic sand bath type massage at the spa the very next day. They're really big on wellness. I had an incredible and healthy time at the Axon Rayong, and I highly recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video out to Koh Samet, and my apologies for the noise behind me. There's some constructions behind me. Highly recommend the island. If you guys are looking to go for a little beach town getaway, it's not the smallest of the islands and it's not the largest, but they do have some nightlife and a lot of bars. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video where I'm gonna be heading out to Chiang Mai next week with Rachel. I haven't been to Chiang Mai. I'm really excited. So be on the lookout for the next video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys in the flip side. Cheers, guys.